Hi all. In this video, I would like to share a fix that I came across when I am deploying one VM in Freenas system. So I'm installed a CentOS 7 in the virtual as a virtual machine, and after the installation, it's boot fine, and there I have not found any issues. But when I have removed the CD-ROM that is mounted and tried to boot, uh, I'm getting an error like this one. So, if anybody experiencing this issue, this is very simple and fix is there. So, like you can go to exit and navigate to the boot from file option. Just enter here. You will monitor these options and select this grub. It will boot that grub bootloader, the TFI bootloader from the system, and it will boot the system. So the problem will happen like if I'm doing it again, like a reboot. So it will again go to this same shell prompt. So going again exit and boot manager, boot from file, enter CentOS grab 60. So there is a simple fix that I want to bring up. No much configuration. Just login once using this method, and you need to go to boot EFI EFI. You will see this boot and CentOS just like that, same folder structure there because it is same. And just copy that particular file, grab x64 to the boot folder. Yeah, that's it. When you reboot, see, it's a very simple and quick fix that you can find. It's again, if I am going to shut down again, booting to confirm that it's working after the reboot also. So see, that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this is informative for you.